when we talk of insurance liens and automobile collisions, oftentimes we see that people will try to resolve their case on their own. What we're seeing now with the lien statute is the hospitals and emergency providers, ambulance companies, they have an automatic lien, and the insurance company doesn't tell you this, and so you'll finally perhaps try to make a settlement on your own, and once that's done, then the insurance company will say, oh, well, there's this lien out there that you have to take care of, and it's going to come out of the part that we just agreed upon. And furthermore, you're not even going to see that part of the settlement. The insurance company will send a check directly to the medical provider, and oftentimes you may be able to get that reduced. So these are the types of things that make trying to handle your claim on your own more and more complicated, and we see that people are wanting the advice of professionals for this exact reason, that you're not being negotiated with in a fair manner by the insurance company, and they're not telling you about these extra things that are going to have to be paid out of, quote, your portion. And so many times we're seeing that people want to hire their own lawyer to handle the negotiations for them, who know these kind of matters and who are experts in it.